Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Make sure your battery is above 20% and you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Next, go straight to Settings, Apps, find Google Play Store and tap Force Stop to kill any hung process. This clears temporary freeze without deleting data. Once done, immediately restart your device to flush background services and let you observe whether Play Store opens normally, because a reboot often fixes transient crashes and resource conflicts. After the initial restart, you clear corrupted app storage to remove problematic temporary files. Go to Settings, Apps, open Play Store, tap Storage, clear cache, then clear data so settings reset. Make sure to do the same for Google Play Services and Download Manager, because those tied services often cause crashes when their cache is corrupt. Once all clears are complete, reboot the phone again so services relaunch cleanly. This resets permissions and connections and commonly resolves persistent. Finally, fix deeper version mismatches by uninstalling Play Store updates. In Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Play Store, choose Uninstall Updates so the app reverts to factory version, then update it again from Play Services. Make sure your device has at least 500 megabytes free, correct date/time, and latest system updates, because mismatched timestamps and low storage break Play Store. If the problem persists, boot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps, and only as a last resort perform a factory reset after backing up your data.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.